everyone, welcome to EasyRecipesWithATwist.com. My name is Victoria Paikin, and today I'm here with my friends at RecipeLion.com who asked me to produce a video on this perfect stuffing. Some people call it dressing or stuffing, it doesn't matter. It's perfect, it's really good, and I hope you will enjoy it, and stay tuned. For this recipe, for actually 3 of those recipes, you will need half bunch of celery, leaves and stalks include, 3 little onions or 2 large ones, cayenne pepper, Hungarian paprika, black pepper, no salt seasoning, and salt. As well, you will need 5 eggs, pound of sausage, any sausage you like. English one, those are breakfast sausages, whatever you like. Italian one if you like a little bit kick and spice, and white bread, stylish one, white bread. You hear? It's quite dry. Day before your big turkey day, when you're caramelizing the turkey, take the turkey out and put it in the slow cooker and continue with the recipe. And here, caramelize celery and onion until it's fine and really fragrant. It will take up to 10 minutes or so. After you're taking half of the onion and celery out and adding it to the turkey, add here the sausages. I love to snip them right over the pan. You can do it in advance. I mean to cut it. After the sausage was caramelized for about 10 minutes, start adding spices. I'm starting with the no salt seasoning, about 2 tablespoons, cayenne pepper, paprika, and mix it in oil. Then bring pre-cut bread into the party. If the bread was not stylish enough, just pop the pieces inside the oven for 5 to 7 minutes and then mix it in with all the juices and the oil and the sausage. Mix well, let the bread soak all of the flavors in. Take 13 by 9 oven-safe dish, add all the stuffing in, and dispose evenly. Cover it with plastic wrap and pop to refrigerator until Thanksgiving Day. On the big day, take about 2 cups of juices from the turkey and cool it slightly until room temperature. Do it about an hour before serving. Then, when it's cooled, add all 5 eggs and mix it in well, one by one. Cover the stuffing evenly with it. If it's too dry, add a little bit more juices from the turkey. Pop to preheated oven to 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes and then serve. I hope you enjoyed it. The stuffing is absolutely amazing. This is the second recipe that goes with the strategy. As you see, it's really easy to make. I started it with the turkey day before and cooked it 45 minutes before the people came. So I think it's really good stuffing, and trust me, we fight over the stuffing. So usually I'm making not 1 but 2 portions of the stuffing, otherwise it will go like so. So I hope you will subscribe, write me a comment, thumbs up me, and cheers, Victoria.